Good morning, Anakia. Thank you so much for joining this meeting today. Can you see and hear me clearly on your end? I've also shared my screen. Let me know if it's possible on your side.
Good morning, Laras. Yes, I can see and hear you perfectly, and the screen is showing fine too. Thanks to setting up.
Great, I'm glad the connection is stable. So this morning we are going to talk about possible cooperation between Lumina Digital Solution and Meridian Retail Group. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your schedule for this.
Of course, happy to be here. I've been looking forward to this conversation.
Before we dive in, let me quickly walk you through today's agenda. We'll start with a short introduction, then go through our aims and objective, talk about why this partnership makes sense, and close with a summary next step.
Of course, happy to be here. I've been looking forward to this conversation.
Before we dive in, let me quickly walk you through today's agenda. We'll start with a short introduction, then go through our aims and objective, talk about why this partnership makes sense, and close with a summary next step.
Sound good. Let's go through it.
Let me introducing myself properly. I'm Larasati, Business Development Manager at Lumina Digital Solution. I spent the last 5 years helping retail brands grow their online presence and increase sales through digital marketing strategies.
Nice to officially meet you, Laras. I'm Anakia Melina, Operation Director at Meridian Retail Group. I oversee our day-to-day operation, including how we manage our marketing and sales channel.
Thank you, Anakia. So the purpose of today's meeting is threefold. First, I'd like to explore a potential cooperation between our two companies. Second, I want to show you how Lumina can support the Meridian goals. And third, I'd love to open the dialogue so you can ask me anything you are curious about.
That sounds reasonable. I'm definitely open to hearing what you have in mind.
Let me walk you through our main objectives for this cooperation. The first goal is to expand your market reach through target digital campaigns. We can help Meridian connect with new customer segment that you might not be reaching right now.
That's interesting. We have been trying to grow beyond our correct customer base.
Exactly, and that leads to our second objective, boosting your online sales. We have applied similar strategies with our other retail partners, and on average, we have seen revenue grow by 25-30% within the first few months.
25 to 30% is a significant number. How sustainable is that growth?
Good question. It's sustainable because we don't just run one-time campaigns. We build a long-term digital strategy, which brings me to our third objective, strengthening your brand presence. We want to help Meridian build stronger, more consistent identity across all digital platforms, not just temporarily spike in traffic.
I see. So the focus is really on long term beyond building, not just a short term sales.
Precisely, we believe sustainable growth comes from consistency, not just one-off promotion. Now, let me explain why I believe Lumina is the right partner for Meridian. Over the past few years, we've worked with more than 50 retail brands and we currently maintain a 98% client satisfaction rate.
Those are strong numbers, but every retail business is different. How do you make sure your strategy actually fits our specific need?
That's a fair point, and it is exactly why we don't offer a one size fits all package. Each a client get a dedicated account team and a cooperation plan that tailored specifically to their business model, timeline, and budget. For Meridian, that means we design the strategy around your products, your customer, and your goals, not a generic template.
That's good to hear. Flexibility is important to us, especially since our budget planning happens quarterly.
Understood. And we can absolutely work within that structure. On top of that, we provide transparent monthly reporting, so you will always know exactly how your investment is performing. No guesswork, no hidden numbers.
I appreciate the transparency. That's something we value highly when choosing a partner.
And honestly, Anakia, I think that's where Lumina stands out. We are not just here to run campaigns. We want to become a long-term growth partner for Meridian Retail Group.
I have to say, this proposal is quite compelling, and I would like to discuss it further with my team, but I am greatly interested in the moving forward.
That's great to hear, Anakia. To summarize, today we have discussed how Lumina can help Meridian expand its market reach, boost online sales, and strengthen its brand presence, all through a tailored transparent cooperation plan.
Yes, and I think the number and the approach you share make a strong case. Thank you for explaining everything too early.
Thank you for your openness today, Anakia. As the next step, I'll send you a formal proposal document within the next 3 business days, and we can schedule a follow-up call to finalize the details.
Sound good. I will review it with my team on our end as well.
Perfect. Thank you very much for your time today, Anakia. We really look forward to working together.
Thank you, Laras. Looking forward to it too. Have a great rest of our day.
You too. Take care and talk to you soon.